Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, did you see him somewhere? Did you see him somewhere? क्या आपने उसे कहीं देखा है? Second, follow me and don't go somewhere. Follow me and don't go somewhere. मेरे पीछे आओ और कहीं मत जाना. 3. Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? क्या आप ठीक हैं? 4. I condole with you on your brother's death. I condole with you on your brother's death. मैं ताज़ियत करता हूँ तुम्हारे भाई की मौत पर, यानी अफसोस करता हूँ. 5. Don't slouch on bike. Don't slouch on bike. बाइक पर झुक कर मत बैठो. 6. I'm chopping the vegetables. I'm chopping the vegetables. मैं सब्जियां काट रहा हूँ. 7. Don't show off much. Don't show off much. ज़्यादा मत बनो. 8. Don't quarrel. Don't quarrel. लड़ो मत. 9. Don't push him high. Don't push him high. उसे आसमान पर मत चढ़ाओ. The last one is 10. You are a slothful person. You are a slothful person. तुम एक सुस्त आदमी हो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.